The Steel Mace coin toss to Shaolin. Now this one is a little bit of confidence. Now you should have learned the coin toss already from in front of you. What you want to start doing is practice doing the coin toss off out to the side just to get used to that movement. And when we do throw the mace head away, allow the mace handle to come behind your back. So over, and as we catch, allow the mace head to come behind the back. If you're just going to try it straight off, you might find you hit the arm and it hurts quite a bit. The trick is, as the mace comes up in the vertical position, your hand wants to wrap around at that point and then lower down into the Shaolin with the tail coming behind you. So I'll try and do it as slow as I can for you. So we're going to throw vertical, get the arm around at that point, okay? Let's go again. It goes up, catching the vertical position, you lower it down. Give that a few attempts. It shouldn't hurt if you're doing it right. If it is and it keeps hitting the wrist, you need to practice your timing a little bit more.